Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another fragrance review. I know last week I said that the scent I talked about was the most anticipated fragrance of 2023, but personally, my most anticipated fragrance of the year is the new Kayali fragrance. And guess what we have? It just came in, so let's go ahead and open her up and try her out together. And if you like videos like this, while you're already here, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified when I post another fragrance review. But I ordered this yesterday and it came in today, which is actually kind of surprising. This was supposed to be released on the 20-something of March, and yesterday was the 7th, but look what we got. It actually came in. I didn't think it was gonna go through because they were saying that it was accidentally released on Facebook or something and people were ordering it, but then their orders are getting canceled. And then prior to that, apparently some goodies were also stolen from a warehouse. So this fragrance was leaked maybe like a month ago, but we got the real thing here from the Sephora website. So let's go ahead and open it up. I am so excited about this one, but also kind of nervous that I might not like it because I usually don't like nutty notes, but it's Kayali, so we had to try her. But the packaging looks similar to the rest of the Kayali packaging. Has the Kayali logo on the front, and then we got our notes on the back as well. So the notes highlighted on the back are pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, and cotton candy. And let's go ahead and reveal her. This bottle is so cute. As a girl that loves green, because my last name is Green, this bottle is lovely. It's like a green matte color, and the top is also like white matte. This is a beautiful bottle. Let's go ahead and try out the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato 33. We have our tester strip right here. Ooh. I did not expect this to smell like this. What am I picking up? It smells very fresh and sweet. Okay, let me go ahead and read the full note description from Kayali. So we got Italian bergamot, which I knew I was smelling some bergamot, but I thought I was tripping because y'all know I've said before I'm a bergamot girly. I love bergamot, and actually a new fragrance I got yesterday was a bergamot scent. And definitely, I knew I was picking up something that wasn't any of the notes listed on this packaging. But okay, top notes: Italian bergamot, pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, and cardamom. For the middle notes, you got geranium, white peony, mugget, jasmine, raspberry, white peach, and pear. For the base notes, you got whipped cream, marshmallows, cotton candy, Turkish delight accord, cocoa, cedarwood, sandalwood, and tonka. Definitely picking up a lot of that bergamot, which is pleasantly surprising because I didn't think this was gonna be like one of the key notes, but that's what I'm picking up on the test strip. Pistachio. I'm not smelling a lot of that right now. I smell a little bit of the hazelnut now. But right now, initial impression, I'm smelling a lot of bergamot and hazelnut. Okay, but that's on the tester strip. Let's go ahead and test it on the skin, because it might be a little different. Okay. Oops. Still getting a lot of the bergamot. Oh, I love bergamot, so I'm so happy. That was a really pleasant surprise because I didn't even realize that bergamot was one of the notes in this scent. Because anything with bergamot, I most likely am gonna love. All right, let me let it dry down for a second and then we'll talk about it. Okay, as far as price point goes, the largest bottle I believe is $144, but this one was $100, and this size is it's the 1.7 ounce, but they also have the little bitty ones, like the mini versions of these. They come in like the cute little similar packaging. I think they're running for $27, $30. And they also have another travel size that's in a slender tube for $25. But if you didn't order yesterday on Sephora, you might not be able to get it right now because I know it's sold out fairly quickly because it wasn't supposed to be released yesterday. I think it was supposed to be released on like the 27th or something like that. No, it was supposed to be released at the end of the month. But shoot, I was so glad somebody posted on Facebook that they were on the Sephora website, because I was like, let's go ahead and get her. And I'm not gonna talk about longevity in this video because I want to go ahead and get it posted, but I will leave a comment as far as longevity goes. But I usually don't have any issues with the longevity with the Kayali scents. Some people say they do, but I typically don't. But I also will know that I have typically oily skin, so fragrances usually last a long time on me anyway. But like I always say, it's no issue to respray it. But also on the Kayali website, they mentioned some layering combinations that we could try, because you know in my fragrance videos, I try to give you some layering combinations that you could try. But they mentioned you could layer it with Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. But I also would like to see what it smells like with Kayali's Vanilla 28 as well. So this is a layering combination I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 new tester strips to spray the Yum Pistachio Gelato. And I'm gonna spray some of the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple as well. Ooh. This is a banger. I cannot wait to wear this combination out. The combination of Yum Pistachio Gelato and Eden Juicy Apple, it's like sweet, fruity, but also rich and gourmandy too. Yeah, that might be the one, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Because I really don't like Eden Juicy Apple a lot by itself. I like it, but I think it smells a lot better with another fragrance. Ooh, that smells good. I cannot wait to wear that out. Okay, so now let's try the new fragrance with Vanilla 28. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on this test strip too. It smells so good, y'all. I should have got the bigger bottle. We might be repurchasing that when it launches again, or when it officially launches, because I'm not even sure what happened yesterday on the Sephora website. I don't know if that was accidental or what, but we got it, so we're not complaining. Okay, this combo, I think I'll like this too. But I think the dry down might be better than the initial spray. But so far as these 2 combinations go, I think I like the Eden Juicy Apple and Yum Pistachio Gelato better than like the Vanilla 28 with this new fragrance so far. But we haven't talked about the dry down yet. Okay, so let me go back and smell it now, see what it smells like. Yeah, still getting a lot of that hazelnut, and I think I'm picking up a little bit of the pistachio now too, but it's not overwhelming, which is what I was concerned about, because I don't really like fragrances that are really heavy on nutty notes, because I just don't really like the smell of nuts like that. Like, I can tolerate it, but not too much. But I think this combination it's a good one. Like, I think all the notes really just work well together. I really do like this scent. And y'all know I talk about how much I love Vanilla 28, but this Yum Pistachio Gelato, it's a contender. Like, Vanilla 28 is always gonna be the OG, but this one, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I might like this a little more, because it has similar notes to what I like in Vanilla 28, in addition to bergamot, which I love, which is like one of my favorite notes. Yeah, y'all, this scent smells good. So, as I always do, knowing what I know now, would I buy this? Heck yes, 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10 fragrance for me. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all that now. I will update my comment section later to let y'all know how the longevity is. And also, by the time this video is edited and posted, I might already have thoughts on that. So, right now, I love this. Check this out. If you're thinking about buying it, I say go for it, for sure. All right, well, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button, and also check out my playlist, reviews, because it has all my fragrance reviews and all my candle reviews there as well, if you like to smell good and you like to have your home smelling good. And I will see y'all back here when we talk about whatever new fragrance I end up buying next. See y'all later. Bye.